Let's be honest, we all know someone that's rocking a phone holster. You know, the chuckle jacket, the talkie tote, the mobile muffler. In their eyes, they think they look like this, but really, their little chuckle caddy is far more like this. What they need is a little bling bling and a few drops of Starbond CA Glue to bring their gadget girdle up to the 21st century. Did you know Starbond CA Glue bonds great to all kinds of materials? Check out this beautiful leather phone case I picked up and personalized by adding a wicked cool laser etched leather patch. And just like that, you've now personalized your phone case with a little bit of help from Starbond. Millions of woodworkers suffer from TTHS, also known as teeny tiny home syndrome. Woodworkers all over the world build these tiny homes, and their families aren't able to fit inside. There's no cure for TTHS, but with your help and your subscribe today, I'll work hard to make sure more entertaining videos like this one keep hitting your feed, and we'll work to find a cure for TTHS. Subscribe today. Thank you. On August 9th, 1937, Paul Galinsky puts in a patent for the world's first C-clamp. There isn't a picture of Paul, but if there was, I'd like to think his invention would make him smile. I think Paul would be happy to see how far we've come with this clamp, and to know if you're happy and you know it, Clamp Your Ham is trending. Now that we have 3D printers, we have expanded on this C-clamp design and made, well, this. Oh, it's a drink holder. Let me show you something I invented that's better than the tongue drink holder. Check out this amazing 3D printed clamp, printed in multiple pieces. This clamp assembles smoothly, but the final step once the clamp is assembled is to add the foot to the threaded rod. Starbond CA Glue is great for projects like this as it provides strength and quick dry time on your 3D printed projects. You know what else happened in 1937?
Another one.
A Danish carpenter named WoodenCreationz invented the Lego bricks. Was this him as a kid? Of course not. That's a Lego kid.
The man, he had a beard.
Due to copyright laws, I can't show you the real photo of Christensen, so I spent the last 3 months making him out of Legos. No cap. See, Legos weren't always plastic. Nope. Christensen started making them as wood blocks. They looked like this, and they usually ended up causing a fight, well, like this. 2 years later, he named his company Lego, and in 1947, the company introduced the plastic interlocking bricks. Probably a good thing, though. These little wood missiles and wood grenades probably started many fights when they got knocked down. But we could handle it. We were tougher back then, and we all played lawn darts the wrong way. The redesign of the plastic Lego took on a new technology, primarily to take out the parents faster in the night when being stepped on. Parents began the task of trying to teach their kids the importance of picking up their toys, and what if I were to leave my workshop parts on your floor, one might say, followed by their kids asking to hold their sippy cup as they demonstrate a new Guinness Book of World Records in their bedroom. Weren't Legos a blast as a kid? Well, today I redesigned the Lego. Using my 3D printer and a free 3D printing software called Tinkercad, I've designed this tool holder to incorporate Legos with attach points. By redesigning and 3D printing Legos with a smooth surface on the bottom, it's now perfect to attach Legos anywhere with a little bit of help from Starbond. Being this tool requires me to snap it into 2 points at once, I have to have perfect alignment. The great thing about Starbond CA Glue is they give you perfect amount of working time before they cure, which is great for 3D projects. My once cluttered desk when working on projects now has more room, and my pliers all stay organized right in hand's reach. All thanks to the help of a few drops of Starbond CA Glue. Remember fidget spinners? Well, that fad might be over. But I printed out this really large ball bearing for my next 3D printed invention. Sometimes 3D prints are too complicated to be able to print all at once, like this one for example. The great thing is Starbond is as strong, if not stronger, than the piece I'm putting it on.
Oh, come on. Hey,
All that working out and you can't open a water bottle?
So with a couple drops of Starbond CA Glue, I can quickly assemble complex moving 3D parts that would virtually be impossible to do.
are you kidding? He's still after it?
You ought to ask for help. Come on, give it some money.
If you printed it all as one piece. I designed a GoPro mount with a built-in Lego base. This now gives me a quick clamp tripod for that perfect moment. But wait,
There's more.
if we attach it to my new rotating mount, we can hit any angle and never miss a shot, all thanks to the help of Starbond CA Glue. We have all drooled over the expensive magnetic parts trays, but if you have a 3D printer, you can easily make one. A quick dab of Starbond is strong enough to hold these neodymium magnets secure to this 3D printed tray without the fear of them ever coming off. To take this to the next level, let's go ahead and add a Lego base to it
Another one.
so it can mount to the edge of my workbench, keeping my work surface free and clear of any extra clutter while I'm working. The best part of using Legos is there's now multiple orientations we can mount this tray, all with a little help of Starbond. If you're ever shipping, designing, or building something, you may find that you need to secure an object with packing foam. This foam was without an electronics box to protect it in shipping. So next time you go to throw this stuff away, remember with a little Starbond CA Glue and accelerator, you can quickly design or sculpt foam for your next project. The greatest thing of my childhood may have just been cheap foam planes, but we spent most of the time trying to fix them so they'd stop falling apart. So before you head out the door next time, just remember a few dabs of Starbond on a foam plane and no kids will complain. I've always dreamed of having my own personalized hat, so I created a unique logo and laser etched it onto a leather patch. Using just a small amount of Starbond CA Glue, I securely attached it and it's ready for my next adventure. Introducing the perfect solution for those who struggle with remembering if they took their pills that day. My innovative invention, the sliding day calendar for pill bottles, works by taking your pill, then sliding the pointer to the day of the week you took it. By simply applying a few drops of Starbond, this 3D printed calendar securely adheres to your pill bottle, ensuring you never miss your next pill. Looking to add personal touch to your next project? Look no further than Starbond CA Glue for securing your unique creations. Whether it's your top secret inventions book or any other project that requires a rock solid bond, Starbond gives you plenty of time to make any last second adjustments before it hardens. With a few dabs of Starbond, you too can add something custom to your next project. Did you know you could easily prevent twine rope from fraying by using a few drops of Starbond CA Glue? Using a thin CA Glue seems to work best as the rope soaks it up. In just a few seconds, it hardens the ends. Are you looking to add a touch of nautical charm to your decor? Then look no further than Starbond CA Glue, the ultimate adhesive for your crafting needs. Excellent for attaching twine rope to 3D printed anchors, Starbond CA Glue is your go-to choice for creating stunning crafting projects and nautical decorations. Imagine creating a stunning coffee sign with vibrant 3D printed letters in different colors. Skip trying to pause prints and switch filaments. With Starbond CA Glue, you can easily bond those letters to a sign, ensuring a secure and durable connection. And here's the best part. Starbond CA Glue gives you a strong and durable bond. It is quick drying, so you don't have to wait around. It provides a seamless connection that will withstand the test of time. But why stop there? Take the sign to the next level by gluing your 3D prints to bags. Unlock endless possibilities with just a few drops of Starbond CA Glue. Here's a tip. Place a sheet of wax paper behind anything you're gluing that might be fabric. This will give you a hassle-free bonding without worrying about any unwanted glue soaking through. Add style to your suitcase or your kids' sport bags with this custom crafting project using Starbond CA Glues. Adding customization really makes it easy to spot your bag or your kid's bag in a sea of others. Here I'm using some fabric that looks like leather, easy to sew, but great for bonding together with a quick squirt of accelerator and a Starbond CA Glue. Crafting in fall is the ideal time to unleash your creativity. Say goodbye to the risk of burns from hot glue guns and opt for a bottle of Starbond for all your crafting needs. Whether you're working on a project to sell or making something special for a loved one, enhance your creations with a touch of invisible Starbond CA Glue. Have you ever received a fresh food delivery and noticed the shiny bubble wrap they use to keep the food cold during transportation? Instead of throwing away this bubble wrap, I decided I should invent what I call the space coolie. After cutting the space foil design, I wrap a can in the space foil, giving me the perfect secure points. Using a thin line of Starbond CA Glue, I come back with Starbond's quick drying accelerator. I give the space coolie a few seconds to set, and then I tackle the other side. To add a personalized touch, I went ahead and designed a custom leather patch, and now we're ready to party. Did you know that graphite, the same one found in pencils, can be transformed into an excellent filler when combined with Starbond CA Glue? By mixing graphite with Starbond CA Glue, you can create a thick paste that makes it incredibly easy to fill gaps and large voids. CA glue is super easy to mix into powdered graphite, and graphite not only enhances the viscosity of the glue, but it also acts as a semi-fast accelerant, significantly reducing the drying time of the adhesive. In my testing, I found graphite mixed with Starbond makes it slightly weaker than just CA glue by itself, but it's still a great filler and a strong one at that for large gaps in projects needing fast drying, thick glue. Many people commonly use baking soda mixed with CA glue as a gap filler when working on projects. It can be challenging to work with due to its quick cure time of roughly 2 seconds. So here's a tip. Rather than mixing with the glue and trying to wipe it on, try sprinkling it over the CA glue for the best results. If you're ever working with reddish colored oak boards and looking to fill a crack or a knot, look no further than Starbond combined with a little chili powder to create a remarkable filler. By mixing chili powder and Starbond CA glue, you can create a paste that effectively fills those cracks and knot holes. Then a quick sand and you're good to go. Give Starbond and chili powder a try next time you're in your shop. Starbond CA glue is perfect for filling cracks and knots, but did you know when combined with Old Bay seasoning, it creates an excellent gap filler when color matched to your board's color? When the Old Bay seasoning is mixed with CA glue, it acts as a medium speed accelerator, allowing the glue to have a faster than normal cure time. After a quick sanding of the board, you'll reveal a superb gap filler with a delightful aroma. Did you know Starbond CA glue mixed with Metamucil can achieve really nice gap filling results? Metamucil's fine powder texture blends seamlessly with light brown boards. When combined with CA glue, Metamucil acts as a filler, absorbing the CA glue and providing a solid foundation. After a quick sanding, the filled gaps become virtually undetectable, leaving a seamless and professional looking surface. Teeny tiny house syndrome. Come on, Bill, how we all gonna fit in that?